Hello everyone, this is Alex from Henan Machinery. In this video, I will introduce to you one set of the mobile concrete batching plant. This mobile concrete batching plant is used the gas type concrete mixer, module 750. And above the concrete mixer is the wings of the water additive and the cement. This set is with 3 bins. Below the 3 bins, there is the wing hopper and the belt. Those wing hopper and belt is lifted by 3 tension sensors. The aggregate after being weighed will transport it through this belt to the concrete mixer. This belt is shorter than the stationary type concrete batching plant, so it can save the time of the transportation of the aggregate from the wing hopper to the concrete mixer. So its efficiency is higher than the stationary type concrete batching plant with the same module of the concrete mixer. This set mobile concrete batching plant with GS 750 concrete mixers, the actual capacity can get to 40 cubic meters per hour because of this design. And also there are 8 legs, 4 on each side to support the whole concrete batching plant, so it doesn't need the concrete foundations. It also with tires, easy for customers to transport the concrete batching plant from one job site to another job site. Our Shengmao machinery can produce all kinds of concrete batching plants. Welcome to contact us if you are interested.